Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off your Motorola VerveOnes buds. So to do this we have to click and hold these two buttons, the left and the right, until this indicators right here blinks red. Just do this right now, click and hold. As you can see, it blinks red, so we have to release, and we are not connected right now. So to power on, just click and hold until we get the blue indicator. And right now we can release. Right now just select your earbuds from the list, and as you can see, we are connected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.